Yeah, so the kids woke up this morning and was like, okay, I wanna what is yeah, it's snow outside. Huh? You full? Okay. You full? Yeah. So it's snow outside like really crazy and outside like very crazy to like because we live in the Midwest, so of course it's gonna snow. And let me show you what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, that's. Oh man. Oh.
And it's still snowing. Like literally still snowing.
Mom, my sidewalk had snow on it.
Yeah. It's like crazy outside. Let me fix this. So the kids are gonna go build snowmen. I don't know how this is gonna work because it's still snowing outside. But here, we're gonna go ahead and build a snowman. I'm not going outside. I'm staying in here. So their daddy gonna take them. They getting ready and dressed up right here. Nyla, you all bundle up.
Mom, I'm gonna really throw a snowball at Nyla.
You gonna throw a snowball at Nyla?
No.
Nyla, you gonna throw a snowball at Barbara?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. So he is plotting on us. I'm not even going outside, sir. Nyla, you better get him. You better get him. Not too hard. Don't be hitting my daughter like that.
What?
Get a jacket. Y'all get a jacket. Get the jacket out the closet. Ivy, you ready to go outside too? Huh? Okay, now my babies are ready to go outside. Oh, Ivy, you ready to go outside? We wasn't prepared for this, but we're prepared now.
Then where'd my socks go?
You had, I don't know, you had your gloves in here somewhere, Quentin. I swear you did.
Yeah.
Oh, sexy daddy ready too. Look at him. Snow suit on too. Remy, over here.
Come on.
Remy, over here.
When you start trying to run out the door. Let's make a snowman right here.
Ivy, get in the snow. Ivy, what y'all think of the snow? Good? Huh?
There you go. See the
I
gloves.
float on snow. It's so snow.
What? It's cold?
No, it went in my thing.
Don't throw it at me. I'm not ready. Ivy, what you think, baby girl? You get to see snow for the first time. Y'all, the car is literally like covered up with snow. Our car is covered up with snow. And these kids want to be outside. Oh, that's for Quentin? Don't you have a warming glove? Like a hand? I got you.
Don't ever do that again. Help.
Daddy found that right there. You want? I'll leave you on pocket. You alright? Imagine how much snow would be if I didn't went to that show this morning.
Oh, yeah.
That
That would have been a lot. That would have been a lot. Yeah, mommy sacrificing.
Find the snow mine, Quentin and Ollie.
Co-
Y'all find that?
Ivy, are you just gonna sit in the snow?
Yeah.
My poor baby, she's stuck. you go, princess. The snow mountain. We're going on the snow hunt. What, Nyla? You stuck?
Help me.
I can't help you. You gotta help yourself.
No, I just talking.
Oh, okay. Well, Mama's gonna go in. So Quentin and Ivy decided to come in. Were you cold? You were cold. And he's sitting under the heater right now because he's freezing. Baby, right here is cold. So go ahead, sit under the space heater and get warmed up. Come here, princess girl. Ivy, you come back in? Ivy was cold. She's like, I'm ready to come back in and eat my food, right? Right, Ivy? Nyla, you have fun outside?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness, your nose, you look so red. Are you cold?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, you were the last one outside. You came in late.
I have some jelly.
You want some jelly?
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Go ahead and get some jelly after you take your stuff off. Okay?
You will help me?
Yes, ma'am, I'll help you. Well, it looked like they have fun outside. Me, personally, I'm staying in. My man is still outside. I don't know what he's doing. But I think, oh, yeah, he's shoveling the snow because we're literally covered in, like, I think 3 feet. About 3 feet of snow. Yeah, go take it into your room. Take your snowsuit in your room. And put your jacket in your closet. I'll put the jacket in the closet. It's okay. But take your snowsuit. Where's your snowsuit? Take it in your room. But yeah, we have we're drenching 3 feet or more of snow, and it's like me and baby, we're staying inside. I'm already sick with my voice, so no. Maybe next time. But bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.